You guaranteed me I would win my case. Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States at our offices in St. Louis, San Diego, and Washington, D.C. In today's video, I'm feeling a little bit defensive, a little bit fired up. One of my clients said on Facebook in our Immigrant Home Facebook group, if you're not in there, you should join our Immigrant Home Facebook group. But in that group, she claimed that I guaranteed her that if we sued USCIS and the State Department for her delayed fiancé case, that would get the case moving, and that I guaranteed it, that I promised that if she hired us and if she paid us money, that I would make sure that happened. She said that Daniel misled her and that I misled her. And you know what? She's wrong. And she's wrong because I have never, in my entire legal career, guaranteed a legal result in any particular case. I'm not God. I'm not the Buddha. I don't know everything. All I know is that I will do my best, that our law firm will do our best, and that I guarantee you that we'll do our best to make your case as strong as possible. But I cannot guarantee anything. When you're talking about dealing with agencies like USCIS, these huge bureaucracies at the State Department, the weird people that work at the embassies and the decisions that they make and the hang-ups that they have, how in the world could I ever guarantee a result? Now, I understand this client is upset. She hired us to try to get her fiance here faster. And in the old days, those lawsuits worked very, very well. But starting around the middle of 2021, the government started filing these motions to dismiss on our cases, and they started fighting us, and they started sending the petitions back to USCIS stating that the petitions had expired. This is something they had never done before. We challenged it in court, we fought, we filed motions, but the judges ultimately decided with the government and said, COVID, hacking shouldn't be able to tell the State Department what they need to do and which cases to work on faster. And they have started fighting us on these a whole lot more. Some still got approved, which is very strange. We had the similar cases, the similar embassies, the similar fact patterns. Some got approved and some did not. The lawsuits do make things go faster, but they don't do it in every single case, which is why we don't guarantee it in every single case. I'm not able to do that. Not when you're talking about these huge bureaucracies and the individual facts of individual cases. Every case is different. Have we helped almost 1,000 people with our lawsuits? Yes, we have. Have we helped get a lot of cases moving with filing good cases and working with the agencies to get things moving? Yes, we have. But does that mean that in your particular case that it's going to work? No, it does not. And in fact, in our attorney-client agreement, we specifically note that we do not guarantee a result. It would be unethical of us to guarantee a result. And as I said recently, that if my wife, Amani, my law partner, found out that I was out guaranteeing results or that anyone on our lead team was guaranteeing results, we would be fired on the spot. And that would be something if I got fired from my own firm. But that's why we don't do it. We don't want to get your hopes up. We want you to make the best decision when you're deciding whether or not to hire us. Have our lawsuits helped in all kinds of cases? Yes, they have. Have they helped make things move faster? Yes, they have. But that doesn't mean it's going to work on this particular case. So I wanted to shoot this video to be completely transparent, to be honest and open, and to let you know what's going on. If you have questions, give us a call, 314-961-8200. If you want to email us, you can send it to info@hackinglawpractice.com. As I mentioned, we have that Immigrant Home Facebook group, so be sure to join us there. We have our YouTube channel. You should subscribe to it so that you get updates whenever we make videos like this one. And then don't forget, we have our Immigration Answers live show. Now, we're going to try something interesting in January. I don't know if this is going to work. I might fall flat on my face, but we're going to try to go live all 31 days in January. I'm going to do it for at least 31 minutes every single day. I'll probably run on a clock to keep people moving fast, trying to cut down on these long-winded questions and try to help as many people as possible. So we're going to do 31 days for at least 31 minutes in the month of January. We'll post the schedule, and our first session will be at 1 p.m. Central on January 1st. We'll start the new year off right. So we'll see you then. Thanks a lot and have a great day.